cover yun, pare. Kanina ba natin pinag-usapan? 16-15. Essentially the same score.
Exactly.
Of what happened in the first two sets. Definitely set number 2. Andrade, huli.
He wanted a higher set. So far, ito ang best lineup na pinapakita ng sistema. Small ball, ika nga, para dito sa Gum Care. However, after that service error ni Rojas kanina, dalawang sunod na puntos ang kinuha ng PLDT upang lumamang at 17-15.
Combination play, Zamora.
Basa na yan ni Doluras.
Back row attack. They go to Conde. Conde's blocked. And nobody there on the opposite side.
Who was too far away from the play to be able to save that play. Poor cover coming from Zamora. Another new player here para dito sa kupunan ng sistema. That's Clamor coming in. Ordonez stepping out. As Coach Rebong has gone deep into his bench.
Ito na siguro yung coach, yung kanyang huling balasa.
Totoo yan. Kanina pa siya naghahanap talaga ng alas.
Twice. Doug. Well, Ramos there gets rejected and Andrade scores.
This time it's Longavela who's playing libero para dito sa PLDT. Seems to be one of their major strengths when you talk about floor defense. Mahusay yung kanilang dalawang libero.
Tama. Doloiras was excellent earlier. Gomez.
Wow.
And that might have gone out.
I thought that one was long. Pero minsan mabuti pang habulin mo na eh. Dahil hindi ka naman sigurado. Unfortunately, hindi tama yung anggulong nakuha ron ni Hu. Rare mistake in terms of reception para dito kay Hu.
Tama, sabi mo, Hu has also been very solid dito sa ating laro.
Nakatulong nga siya ng gusto eh. Second libero in action for sistema.
That one is through the block.
Conde, I think, stands barely 5'7". But even if he is short, makikita mo, ang lakas umere. At definitely, mas mabilis to pagdating sa depensahan para dito sa sistema.
And that's, I think, what they need right now. And that has helped them come back yung kanilang speed, coach.
Kailangan talaga nila lahat ng aspeto ngayon ay tumining para sa kanila.
Bang! Ramos, a late addition here in the third, has come up with 2 points.
That's his own version of a Rojas attack. Kanina si Rojas ang kanina pa bumabayo sa depensa ng speed boosters. Kaya naman binalikan ni Ramos ang isang matinding hagupit.
Great effort, but they're not going to be able to get that back.
Two points ahead. PLDT speed boosters laban dito sa sistema Gum Care.
They go outside. Back row attack. And Ramos will not score. Lamang pa rin na isa ang PLDT, my DSL. Conde serving again. They look for pareja? No. They go to Rojas, and Rojas sends that long.
He took the risk, and it did not return any dividend. They're still behind by 21 to 19. Nakasumataw ni Rojas, ano?
Hindi na talaga niya makuha yung proper timing. But you can see when he gets it, even in sa kanyang serve, almost impossible to stop. That's off the antenna from Picaña.
And you see a glimpse of the length of pareha. Naalanganin na, nakawit pa niya.
And definitely nakita ni Picaña yun eh. Yung sa kanyang peripheral vision, biglang nakita niya yung lumabas yung kamay. 1 point separating these squads. They go outside.
Every time sistema gets dangerously close. Merong break na nakukuha ang PLDT o someone steps up to the plate to be able to give them more breathing room.
Richard Gomez quickly sent back in. He wasn't aware. They go to Gomez.
Who will score?
Ano ba sinabi mo, Coach?
Every time he makes his re-entry, good things happen for the Speed Boosters. 3 sets, 3 same storylines for the Speed Boosters. 3 points ahead and 2 points away from winning their first set. Or rather, their first match in the history of the PSL.
And he almost was not in for that particular play. Pinalakpakan siya ni Coach Francis at doon lang niya nalaman na, naku, oras ko na pala para bumalik. Timeout ay tatawag dito.
Relax.
Let's listen in.
Kung masyado pumasok rin.
Isang isang tayo pupuntos tayo, tingin mo. Talaga naman. Hindi lang natin dami natin. Kita nyo.
Relax lang.
PLDT 2 points away from their first victory, and actually the first win of any team dito sa ating Philippine Superliga Grand Prix Men's Division. They go to Zamora. Zamora is dug. Quick play. Espiritu pushes that through. They go to Gomez. From the left. Comes from the right. That time is blocked.
Pareha with that stop. Pareha with the 21st point of Sistema. In comes Andrade, for who could be the last stand para dito sa Sistema. They have to score with this serve of Pareha.
Can he get it through finally? No. That's 3 service errors in the third set.
Crucial point given up by Pareha. Kailangan kasi dyan protocol no? You should touch the reliever.
Tama, kaya bumalik siya ng bahagya. This might be the final point of our very first game in the men's division. And I think yun ang kinaklaro ng
Tama
ating
yan.
first referee. At sinasabi, may mga patakaran tayo rito sa...
Discipline is an integral part of any
Tama.
sport. Respect and courtesy,
At
always
yellow
essential.
na naman ay pakikita rito.
Oo. Kita natin yun kanina talaga.
Poor reception once again for Sistema. Free ball for PLDT, my DSL. They go to Gomez. And he sends that long.
They wanted to give Richard Gomez the final point of this match. Richard Gomez wanted the check ball, but clearly that was an overcooked attack coming from Richard. Still on top by 2.
Kita mo to si Coach Francis, not leaving anything to chance. Still actually 2 more chances here. And he will sue for time.
Okay? Ihit. Oo. Yung planner mo rito sa side na to, sa zone 4 nila, mahina. Ha? Tignan mo ha. Let's go. Last play ha. Receive.
One of the heroes of PLDT My DSL, Richard Goma Gomez. And it is match point number 2 para sa koponan ng PLDT. They go to the middle, and that's all they needed.
A perfect timeout call by Coach Francis Vicente. and the Speed Boosters will run away with a 3-set sweep. Richard Gomez and the rest of the Speed Boosters coming out with an inspired performance to be able to post the first win sa men's division ng Philippine Superliga.
We'll be back to wrap things up right after this.